Hello everyone! Today we're looking into a tool that's become a favorite among gardeners, the gonicc 8 Professional Premium Titanium Bypass Pruning Shears GPPS 1003. Let's explore its features, performance, and see if it deserves a spot in your gardening toolkit. The gonicc GPPS 1003 pruning shears are crafted with both functionality and comfort in mind. Key features include premium titanium-coated blades. The high-quality alloy steel blades are coated with titanium, enhancing durability and ensuring they stay sharp for precise cuts. Ergonomic non-slip handles. Designed for comfort, the handles are wrapped in a soft, non-slip foam-like material, making them easy to grip and reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Sap groove design. A built-in groove prevents sticky sap from building up on the blades, reducing maintenance time and keeping cuts smooth. Safety lock mechanism. The shears feature a locking mechanism to keep them securely closed when not in use, enhancing safety. Every product has their positive and negative factors. Let's start with the pros first. Sharp and durable blades. The titanium coating ensures longevity and maintains sharpness for clean cuts. Comfortable grip. The ergonomic design is especially beneficial for users with arthritis, providing ease of use without discomfort. Efficient cutting, capable of handling branches up to 3/4 inch in diameter, making it versatile for various pruning tasks. Now, let's weigh the cons. Blade maintenance. Some users have noted that the blades may require regular sharpening to maintain optimal performance. Locking mechanism. A few users mentioned that the locking mechanism can be a bit stiff initially, but tends to ease with use. Let's look at what the customers had to say regarding the product. After looking at its design, functionality, and user feedback, we rate the gonicc GPPS 1003 pruning shears 4.6 out of 5 stars. It's a reliable and efficient tool that offers excellent value for both amateur and experienced gardeners. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and product reviews.